I'll show you how you can play Cuphead on your school Chromebook. Now, you have two main options how you can do this. You can play Cuphead from a cloud gaming service, for example, like let's just say GeForce Now. But this does require you to have a subscription, and you will need to be able to install the program of GeForce Now into your computer. And that might not be possible for you, and GeForce Now, although does have a free tier, but if you want to get the most optimal experience, you will have to buy a subscription. And again, you will need to install the program onto your laptop or onto your Chromebook. And if it's a school Chromebook, I'm gonna be guessing installing anything won't be allowed. So there is actually another method, although it's very limited. You can search up a Cuphead web like this, and then when you search up Cuphead web, you want to go ahead and go to Cuphead Play on Crazy Games. Now, on here, just tap on it. After that, it will open up this website right here. You can tap on Play Now. Once you tap on Play Now, you can see it'll load in, almost there, right there. Now it'll load in the assets. Now, basically, this is a version of Cuphead that's remade for the web version specifically, but although right now, this is only one boss. This is the bird boss, right? And then you can see you can play it online like this. You can tap on yes, you can pick a charm even. I'm gonna pick this one for example. And then you can see the control is right here. You can shrink, you can do all of those stuff right in the Cuphead game, but just now in the web. You can also just full screen it like this if you'd like. And then you can play like this. Although again, of course, this is only one boss. This is not the full game. But for being it on the Chromebook and running on the web, this is a pretty good alternative rather than installing it or buying a subscription on GeForce Now.